entire ginger espresso. Today we are going to make an espresso entirely made with raw ginger and another one only made with dried ginger. Now, I don't know if I need to peel it, but I'll do it anyway, so let's go. Well, I guess it's peeled enough, and I don't know if we actually need the other part, so let's start with only this one. It's a lot of ginger. Let's see how it is. It's a good puree. Oh, this one with the sushi, but let's use it for espresso. I'm thirsty for espresso today, so I hope that this espresso becomes really good. Oh, let's not add so much because all my espressos have been. Let's do our spready thing. Oh, it's gonna be messy. Now our compressy thing. Okay, yes. Let's see how it becomes. It's not really well compressed. I feel that's not going to work so well, but we can have a surprise, right? So let's try. Oh, a lot of juice coming out already. So let's see if the entire fresh ginger espresso is going to work. Let's go then in 3, 2, 1, let's espresso! It's actually working. Let's call it a day. Oh, the entire house is smelling ginger right now. Okay, for the ginger powder we don't need to grind. It's already grinded because it's a powder, so... Oh, it's very thin. Maybe we are going to have a very concentrated espresso. Let's not add so much too. Okay, I guess this quantity is good enough. So let's do our spready thing. Doesn't look like we have enough, but let's keep this way. And now compressy thing. Looks compressed. Now let's see if the entire ginger powder espresso is going to work. Let's go then in 3, 2, 1. Let's espresso. Uh-oh. Yeah, it's not good for espresso. Maybe the powder is too thin. Alright, so two very different results. Expect high concentration of ginger flavor in this one. Let's first try the fresh ginger one. Saúde! Well, it's as expected, a very gingery flavor. This espresso in here, together with the sushi, could work really well. But it's the flavor of ginger in a liquid form. It's really strong. Well, but I feel that my internal organs are now so clean. Let's now test the ginger powder espresso. I guess it's gonna be stronger. Saúde! Oh my god. That... Come on! Okay, that was a mistake. That one is a mistake. It's a completely awful result. It's undrinkable. This one is a challenge, but if someone asks me to drink this one as a challenge, yes, I could accept that. It's not impossible. This one is impossible. This is the kind of the poison that you give to your worst enemy. For obvious reasons, this one, the fresh ginger, is the winner today. It was possible to make an espresso out of the fresh ginger. It's not the case of the dried one. It's a ristretto and a bad result. I'm not even going to evaluate this one. But even so, should you do it? No. Now let's see the puck of the fresh ginger espresso. I feel it was well extracted. Let's see the taste of it. Ooh, spicy, but not so much. I think that the espresso machine actually take a lot of the ginger flavor to our beverage. It's a puck that has some use. It's not so intense. I can mix it with another pancake, but today I have a better idea. First, let's see the puck of the ginger powder. Well, they are really different, right? I'm kinda afraid of trying this one. Well, stop thinking about it. The espresso will extract a lot of the strong flavor, so this one is not going to be so strong, I believe. So, well, there's hope. Let's try. It's exactly what I said, but it's still terrible. Not good puck. So, they are bad puck, both.
A few moments later.
Ginger beer! Not so much ginger in anymore. Well, so this puck is actually very good to make ginger beer. Yay!